welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below. It's like over there. Go ahead and click it, girl or guy. Go ahead and click that. But yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all my updated routine on how I do my high puffs. Like, I have a video like this on my channel already, but it's pretty old. It's like back when I like first started my channel. So I'm like, let me give y'all a little update of, you know, how I do my puffs and how I get it to be nice and fluffy and cute. And you know, you can still see definitely my curls and all of that. But so yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this puff, then keep on watching. Okay y'all, so I'm starting off on old wash and go. This is what my hair is looking like. I mean, it's not too bad, but you know, I'm just ready to put it up. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I do my high puffs. So first, I like to just go ahead and just gather most of it. And then I like to, you know, moisturize it a little bit with some water. Just around the edges. Just to, you know, get it ready. Because y'all know, y'all hair being these wash and goes, they be a little dry. So, you know, that's going to, you know, help moisturize it a little bit. And then what I also like to do, I like to take some oil. And I'm going in with my Africa's Best oil, the one I always use. And make sure I put some of that on the edges. I mean, not the edges, the ends. Because you want your hair to be, you know, looking pretty moisturized. You don't want it to look dry. Make sure I do that, and it's kind of helping it like fluff out as well too. So I do that. Then I take my brush and just brush the edges. Alright, now that that's brushed, I'm gonna go ahead and just like put this in a loose ponytail. Like that. And now I'm gonna take my I was gonna say Eco Style. I'm gonna take my Extreme Gel and slap that on these good old edges. Alright, now what I'm doing, I'm going to take my long headbands, well, headband, and then I'm going to double it up and go ahead and slick this into a ponytail. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. Don't worry, it's just not going to stay like this. But I'm going to go ahead and try to like do my edges real quick. So y'all know I like to use my edge booster. So I'm going to use this to put on my edges. You know, make them real sleek and on fleek for the day. Alright, now that we got us some cute little edges, now we're going to work on this puff. Okay, so I learned this trick from Natural 85. Like, she taught me this trick and I was like, girl, you just saved my life. Because most of the time when I do my puffs, like, they don't stay sitting up. Like, they stay flat like this. So in her video, she had like showed me, well, not just me, but she showed everybody how to make your puffs look right for, you know, when your hair gets longer. So I'm like, okay, because this right here, that's not cute. Like, it's just flat, and it'll stay flat. Like, especially if like I just want to do a puff like straight from like a fresh wash, oh, it will just be flat down. So what she said is to pull your hair up like this. I mean, y'all can go watch her video. I'm just showing you guys how I do my puff now because, you know, I can do it. Because I haven't did a puff since I had like cut my hair again. That's when I could do it because my hair, you know, was definitely shorter. But let me just tell y'all what I'm doing. So I'm taking this extra ponytail and I doubled it. The ponytail holder, it looks like this. It's like a satin type ponytail holder. So I doubled it like this, and I'm just gonna put it like on this part of my ponytail. Just like right here. So it's like making it longer. And then now, you know, it's just sitting up here like this. So now you just fluff it down and it'll like sit up. It'll give you more volume, which is great. Then what I'll do to make it look a little bigger is I will pick it out. So I just take my pick, obviously, and just pick my hair out. Get my puff on fleek. Make it super big. Y'all see how that look 10 times better? Yes, and then like sometimes when I have these long pieces, I don't like them to be like out. So I like just wrap them around. Bring it to the other side. Just like this. Okay, hey girl. We back with the hot puffs. Yes, I had to give y'all a little update because I have not did a hot puff in forever. So I want to show you guys how I do them now. And you know, obviously, you know, you can take your silk scarf and lay them, not lay them. You can take your silk scarf and put it around your edges to lay your edges and, you know, make them last all day. Everybody know that. But, you know, I'm not going to do it for video purposes. I'm going to do it afterwards. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all how my puff looks. Cute or not? Like, y'all saw it before. Alright, and to give your puff like some extra shine, you can just go ahead and spray this argan oil of Moroccan oil on there. Well, really any oil. You know, so you won't have to touch it. It'll just, you know, be there. You ain't gotta move your head. I mean, touch your hair, because you know you want it to stay in place. Yes. Alright, y'all, so that's all for this quick little short video. Yeah, if you liked it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if this is your first time clicking on my channel, watching one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right over there. It's that red one down there. It says subscribe. And you know, when you click it, like, it'll pop up a little bell. Go ahead and hit that bell too, so you won't miss like none of my videos. Like, you'll see them all. Like, every time I post, it'll be like, ding, Mia got another video. Y'all, I'm just playing. But yes, go ahead and do that. And yeah, leave me some comments down below. Let me know any other videos you guys may want to see from me, so I can definitely get those out for y'all. And yeah, I really like how my puff looks. Like, we back in action. We back with the puff. Turn up. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.